Welcome to pmclounge.com. Today we are discussing our PMI report known as Pulse of the Profession In-Depth Report, maximizing the benefits of disruptive technologies on projects. That is what this report is all about. We have done a video on this report earlier, which kind of gave an executive summary of what this report is all about and some of the uh, very important key points, right? So, today we are taking a look into one of the sections of this report. Again, it's a detailed report by PMI. Today we are talking about the top three disruptors used for competitive advantage. What are the top three disruptive technologies that the companies, the large organizations, are using to gain competitive advantage? So, those are the three disruptive technologies that we are going to be looking into. A very brief overview of them is what we are going to be basically doing in this video. So let me go over to the report. Again, this report is available on pmi.org for free for everyone. No copyrights infringement intended. All copyrights acknowledged. Please go and download your own copy to refer to. I'll share the direct link to the report in the description below. The first link in the description below will be directly to this report. And the video, the entire playlist of this report, I will also share the link to that in the description below. Now, so this is the report maximizing the benefits of disruptive technologies. I'll quickly go down to the page that we are talking about. So the top three disruptors used for competitive advantage. This is what we wanted to kind of cover in this video, and this is important. So I'm reading this one. At any given time, there are several disruptive trends that change the way organizations work. Smart organizations view the change as an opportunity to innovate and develop new products and services. So, smart organizations, they look at this change as an opportunity so that they can innovate and they can develop new products and services. So, what are these three disruptors? 84%. So, percentage of innovators that say this disruptive technology is giving their organization and a competitive advantage. Cloud, 84% of the organizations are saying that they have a competitive advantage because of cloud. 62% say they have competitive advantage because of IoT, and 60% organizations say they have a competitive advantage thanks to artificial intelligence or AI. So cloud, IoT, and AI are the top three disruptors that the organizations are using for competitive advantage. Now, how can this help you? How does this information help you as a project manager? Number one, are you working on projects related to these technologies? If not, can you propose projects surrounding these technologies, around these technologies to your organization? Can you come up with projects, right, for your organization so that your organization is going to be, is going to benefit with cloud, IoT, and AI, because these are the top three disruptors, right? These are the disruptive technologies that the organizations are working on. So, as a project manager, are you already working on these? If not, can you propose projects around these technologies? If not, let's say already, let's say you're not working on any of these three and you're not even able to propose any projects around these three, how about getting certain experience with projects belonging to cloud, IoT, and AI? Because if these are the technologies, if these are the disruptive technologies that the industry is using, that the organizations are using as their as their competitive advantage, to gain competitive advantage, right? To have a project manager who has handled projects around these technologies will be extremely helpful for your resume, is going to be extremely helpful for your um, experience, and it is going to be extremely helpful for your career. So as a project manager, if you are a project manager handling projects related to cloud technologies. Just think that 84%, you have to understand that 84% of the organizations, the innovators, they say that cloud is giving their organization a competitive advantage. Tomorrow, if they look for a project manager, and if you are someone who has experience in handling cloud projects, nothing like it. That's a match right there. So, for you, for your career, it is extremely important to know this information and to do something about it, to bring it into practice so that you can also advance in your career. Now, there was another thing that I want to talk about, a little brief of all three. So, 84% of innovators say that cloud is giving their organization a competitive advantage compared to just 57% laggards. And what are laggards? We had already discussed in the previous video. Do refer to that. Innovators versus laggards, right? IoT, again, 26% of laggards organizations say that IoT is helping them, while 62% innovators say that it is helping their organization get competitive advantage. Similarly, for AI, 60% versus just 22%. So, innovative organizations know that these technologies create a positive shift in project management capabilities that fosters new ways of working, right? So you can refer to this report if you want to get into detail. I don't want to get into detail in this video, but I just wanted to touch upon this and let you know that cloud solutions, IoT or Internet of Things, and AI or artificial intelligence are the top three disruptive technologies out there today. As a project manager, if you are working on any of these projects, great for you. It's really good for your career and for your experience. So that is all that I had in this video. Do hit the like button if you like the video. Share this so others can also take advantage of this knowledge. Comment if you have any such questions, or let us know how you felt about this video. How can we make it better? Subscribe to the YouTube channel if you haven't done so already, which is youtube.com/PMC Lounge. Check us out on our social media, facebook.com/PMC Lounge and twitter.com/PMC Lounge. And as always, don't forget to check out the website pmclounge.com, your number one free resource for PMP and other project management certifications, as well as project management industry information. Thank you.